Hey guys, Coriel here, Twitcherz Fishing. We're back at it, and we've got crankbait loaded up in the helping hands here, and we are going to throw on some colors and see what we can come up with here. Okay, we're going to just heat set this quickly. I did throw it on a little bit thick. I'm still getting used to this new airbrush that I've got, but that is not too bad. Let me just quickly... There we go. Okay, let's heat set this and then we'll throw on the second coat. Go ahead and spray a second coat. This new airbrush makes quick work. It just took a while. It's been taking a while to get used to, because I am used to those meet-ins that I got when I first bought my compressor, but this thing is fantastic. You can definitely cover a lot of surface area relatively quick. All right. Make sure we got good coverage everywhere. It's looking like it. That looks fantastic. Okay, let me get this airbrush cleaned out, and then we will throw on the black. I'm going to just see if I can adjust my preset on this a little bit. And we want to do just the gill plate and the eyes. I shall do the other side here, and then we'll worry about the nose. Okay. Let's have a quick look at that. That's excellent. And let me just grab our stencil here for the scales on the back of this guy. And I'm going to try and do a much better job of trying to line them up so they're not all wavy and crooked. And I just want to do a light mist of black. Try to anyways. there we go. That is what we were after. So there's one other thing that I wanted to do. It just utilizes the black. And again, like I said, I've been kind of brewing this up in my head at work today. So let me just grab I wish I had a crappy paintbrush. Unfortunately, I don't. But whatever little black we have left in our cup here, we're just going to dip our brush in. And we're going to just do the old finger flick trick. Okay. What I should have done, honestly, is flick some of the paint off first before I did it, but just do a little bit more. Dip in our cup. I'm going to flick a little bit off, and then we'll flick it on. There we go. That was the look I was going for. Now if we just take a look at the belly here, I don't know if I should just leave it or just, you know what, we can just try and do a couple. Get a little bit more black loaded up. I don't have much left in the cup, but let's see. There we go. Let's throw that in that cup there. Okay, now that was what I was after. Okay, so got the eyes picked out, and I don't know if you've guessed it by now or not, but I'm a fan of trying to match up the eyes with the main color of the bait. So if you can believe it, I'm sure you can, we are going to put some orange eyes. Okay, that actually looks way better than I thought. Let me just flip this around so you guys can have a look. Again, just dab a little bit of glue. Not too much. I'm definitely getting a lot better with the amount of glue that I put for the eyes. There we go, and get the eyes placed. Okay, let me just pull this out and then we'll have a quick look. Okay, so that is what we ended up with. I'm gonna paint another one of these up, a little bit different of a variation. I'll film it as well, just so you guys can kind of see the differences. But I think this thing turned out awesome. It's one cool looking bait. Yeah, this thing is actually deadly looking. If you guys like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, stay creative, keep painting, tight lines. Bye.